Hello friends, welcome to my channel Learn to Draw. Today we will be drawing Mahatma Gandhiji. For that I am using Gravel Grey paper sketch pad of 170 GSM. It actually consists of 40 sheets of A4 size papers. And many of us find difficult to draw whether it may be portrait or any other image or model exactly. So here I will be showing you how to transfer an image or draw an image using grid. The app which I am using to make grids for the drawing is Grid app for drawing, which is available in Play Store. It is for free, and after importing the image, and I have selected a grid of 7 columns and 9 rows. The image will be imported in such that it will be like this. You can even have a diagonals in this image so that you can draw the eyes, nose and any minute details very easily. And here I have made a grid in my drawing book as well of same square shape. All the grid should be in square shape of exactly 7 columns and 9 rows. Now let me show you how to draw the image looking into this grid. You can look carefully into the grid where you are referring and draw the exact same thing here. You need not worry about whether it is proper or not. If it is told in the grid like that, you can just transfer the image like that, drawing the lines. The final result will be the image what you desire. This is one of the easiest step to draw any image. It need not be always portrait. You can draw any image or any object like this. Importing the image into the grid and then drawing the same thing into the paper wherever you want. Here I am just drawing the outline sketch because later on I will be showing you how to draw it using the color pencil. Make the skin tones exactly the same way how it is there in the picture. So I am drawing it lightly here because when drawing in using color pencil we usually need to erase it off the pencil marks wherever not necessary. So in order to avoid the mess in the paper, I am avoiding the darker lines. Here it is little bulge, so let me correct it off like this and let me erase the other. Here I am using pencil eraser. It is very convenient to use a pencil eraser when drawing using the color pencils, nor any light marks. Minute details we can correct using the pencil eraser. Yes. Now it's almost finished. So the detailed color pencil drawing of this I will be showing it in the next video. Please stay tuned for the color pencil drawing of Mahatma Gandhi ji. Now you can erase the unwanted grid lines. Only you can keep the grid lines inside the image so that it will be easy for us to color the later on. You can erase off the other marks here.